Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ham can be cooked without thawing first. Larger cuts, such as ham roasts, will require up to 1.5 times the cooking time of an unfrozen ham cut. Thawing frozen hams. Two methods that can be used to safely thaw ham are the refrigerator method and the cold water method. Never thaw ham on the kitchen counter.
Take our lead.
The answer, in short, is if it is cured, smoked or baked. Ham is considered pre-cooked, and would not technically need to be cooked. This includes the ham that is purchased at the deli. In fact, most ham that is sold to consumers is already cured, smoked or baked. 7 September 2016.
Take our lead.
Raw and fresh ham for a whole, bone-in smoked ham. Cook for 18 to 20 minutes per pound. For a half bone-in smoked ham, cook 22 to 25 minutes per pound. For just the shank or butt portion, bone-in, cook 35 to 40 minutes per pound. For a boneless shoulder or butt, cook 30 to 40 minutes per pound. 4 March 2019.
Take our lead.
Fear not. Cooking a frozen ham is perfectly safe, according to the USDA Meat and Poultry Hotline. To fully cook, it'll just take about 50% longer than a thawed ham. Still less time than it takes to thaw. The 2nd of April 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
You should never thaw a frozen ham on the counter at room temperature or in hot water. Under either of those methods, the outer layer of the ham can sit between the bacteria breeding temperatures of 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit for far too long to be safe.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.